Fast fashion brands are releasing circular products? My name is Alex McEachern, and this is TLDR, your quick hit e-commerce news. Now, I don't mean fashion brands are making products in the shape of a circle. What I do mean is that they are reducing the impact on the environment. Traditionally, a product's created and eventually, over the course of its useful life, makes its way into a landfill. And some brands are getting better at this by recycling used products to make a new one before it ultimately ends up in the landfill. What a circular fashion brand is trying to do with their products and their business operations is actually create a perpetual loop where it's always reusable or has another use and never actually makes its way into the landfill. The fast fashion brand that's doing this is ASOS, and it's released a 29-piece collection for the fall. And obviously this is huge because it represents 0.03% of their product catalog. But it is interesting that a fast fashion brand would all of a sudden be caring about this. And that's because 43% of shoppers plan to spend more on sustainable brands this year. It's becoming more important to the shopping community. And that also is being seen with Nike, who said that the products that have their sustainability badge on them are seeing 3x the conversion rate of their normal products. But it's not just about making additional profits for your brand by doing this, it's also about creating environmental and socioeconomic benefits for the planet. And that's why I think there's actually some other brands that are doing a fantastic job of this, even though those other brands are huge. One of them is Madewell Jeans, and they have a denim recycling program where you can bring a used pair of jeans into the store and they'll give you $20 towards a new pair. But what happens with those jeans is really interesting. They're actually turning them into insulation that can be used in homes for different projects like Habitat for Humanity. And one of my favorite examples of this is what Patagonia is doing with its Wornwear site. When you return an item to Patagonia, they're actually prepping it for resale to be sold used on Wornwear, where new purchasers can come and buy something at a reduced price. And even if the item you return couldn't be resold, they actually turn it into a recycled product in their Recrafted collection. Now I'm just waiting for a recrafted product to make its way into the regular Wornwear site, where we'll finally have come full circle on this. Now, there are a ton of brands out there that are doing great things with recycling, upcycling, and striving to become a circular brand. And I couldn't mention them all in this video, but I did ask some of my teammates to help me come up with a list here that you can check out, and I'll link those in the show notes below. And if you're not watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe so you can get those. That's been this week for TLDR, and I'll see you next time.